Let the fuel fly. Human players red, human players blue alliance. Shooting, shooting, shooting. Red Alliance can shoot. All right, very close match so far, 24-20. Red Alliance has the advantage, so you see their hub is blinking, getting ready to go over to Blue Alliance. Blue Alliance now able to score through their active hub. Human players are scoring. Looks like 21-58 Blue Alliance playing a little defense in the neutral zone. All right, back over to Red Alliance. 21-58, busy about playing defense. Here comes 40-63 for Red Alliance, getting ready to shoot. And there they go. We got 21-58. Trying to spoil the fun there from the Blue Alliance. All right, back to Blue Alliance side. Human players are shooting a lot. $21.58 causing problems over there for the Red Alliance. It's a close match. Oh, 21-58, causing problems there. It's a purely defensive robot. All right, last 30 seconds of the match. Both hubs are active. It's going to be close. And time. Match. Final score 85-49. All right, Alliance 4 wins this one, moving on in the lower bracket to round 4, match 12, while Alliance 3 has been eliminated in a tie for 5th place.